want to go to the new skate shop in Green Street. How do I get to Green Street?
OK, from here, go straight on along Old Street. Walk past the supermarket, then turn left.
Which supermarket?
The really big one on the corner. Come on, I'll show you.
Look and listen.
How do I get to Green Street?
Go straight on along Old Street. Walk past the supermarket, then turn left.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. How do I get to the museum? Yes, go left. How do I get to the shopping centre? Yes, go right. How do I get to the police station? That's right. Go straight on. Go across Green Street. It's on the corner of Blue Street and Old Street. How do you get from your house to your school? Well done!
Yay!
Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones.
What does the letter mean?
Right. It was the wrong library because it was the wrong city.
Which city does he mean?
I think he means the city of Alexandria in Egypt.
Of course! The library in Alexandria was the most important library in the ancient world. What are we going to do now?
We're going to fly to Egypt. Dad, we're going to Egypt. Can you take us to the airport, please?
Yes, son.
Outside the city of Alexandria, there's a cave with secret writing on the walls.
And Brutus can use the bologna stone to understand the writing.
Now, let's get a taxi and find a hotel. A taxi!
What's in the cave, Dad?
People say the writing on the wall of the cave
Can open the door to mountains of secret treasure.
Brutus, grab!